Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new in this channel, please subscribe, hit the subscribe button so that you can get the next video as they pop up. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to blend tomatoes in a blender, a very simple way to use in cooking, maybe any recipe you have. So you're just going to by cutting the tomatoes and then put into a blender, the jug. Then we're going to switch on everything after covering the top. Switch on the socket. Then we're just making sure that everything is set for the process to begin. Yeah. So we're going to begin blending. And if you notice some slight stoppage, don't worry. Just open the cover of the jug. Use a spoon to roll everything and balance everything inside the jug. Yeah, after everything is set, cover the top, then go back to your process. Yeah, we're just going to blend. So we're just going to blend. Everything is set, it's fine, you can switch off. Then we're just going to our pan, making sure that our onions turn brown before we add in our tomatoes, our blended tomatoes, remember. So we're just going to add in our tomatoes. We're going to make sure that everything, the tomatoes spread all over, they mix with the onions very well. And as you can see guys, it's wow, it looks appetizing, it looks wonderful. So you're just going to give it around 10 seconds to simmer. And before we add in our soup, remember, add salt to taste. So we're just going to add in our soup, 1 to 2 cups. Then allow it to simmer for about 15 seconds before we add in our fish. Add in your fish, then cover the top of the pan and allow it to simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes until it's ready for serving. Cover the top of the pan or the sufuria and allow it to simmer. Thank you guys, don't forget to subscribe.